Good evening, Peter.
Good morning, Daddy.
Today we start a new lesson. Tới nè, before we start, we learn to translate into English. I need you to read a short text first. Start.
Tina xua sộ thì tha ta nè tờ na sợ thì trời tháng nhôm tờ tì nu sợ thì xua ni ta tha ta nè tờ na ni ta trời thác nhau tờ tí nu ni ta xuống tu ni tha ta nghe tờ na tu ni trời thác nhau tờ tí ni tí nu tí nu tôi ní xua chi ni tha ta nè tư na chia ni trời tha nhóm tơ tì ni
Tí ni tiết à?
tì nu
Tạm biệt nhóm.
nhóm tơ tì nu chị ni xua bồ na han ta nè đã tơ na bồ na trao tha nhóm tơ tì nu bồ na xua ni ta ta tha ta nè tớ nè đã trời thác nhóm tớ tí nu ni ta xua đi na tha ta nè tớ na đi na trời thác nhóm tớ tí nu tí na số thiết ni ta tô ni chi ni bồ na ni ta đi na nơi có thông.
Very good. Now we will learn to translate each sentence once by one in our short text. This is the title of the text. Tới nè, chẳng vì chỉ clear con này. Clear chẳng bởi dân sẽ là where to go các bạn này. Where to go.
Where to go?
Yeah, and now we go to the first sentence. Tina xua sự thia thà ta nè tới nè.
Tina as so here. Where
do
you go?
Yeah, where do you go? Here, Tina asks Sophia, where do you go? And the next sentence is Sophia ឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះអញ្ចឹងយើងមានពាក្យឆ្លើយគឺ answer ដល់ពេលទីនោះគឺ there កូនណាអញ្ចឹងយើងសរសេរថា Sophia answers. Okay, you can.
So here answer, I go there.
Yeah, very good. Here, so here answers, I go there. Next sentence. This is the combined picture, and you see, it is the circle road across the bridge to Kopik Island, to an island. next sentence សុធាសួរនីតាថាតើអ្នកទៅណា
So here as the
នីតា
Nita, where do you go?
Yeah, very good. Here, Suthia asks Nita, where do you go? And Nita answer, Nita ឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះ
Answer, I go there.
Yes, good. Nita answers, I go there. And next, this is combined picture. You know what that place is?
Is Kakung.
Wat Phnom Temple. And the three of them stand on the bridge and they want to go to Wat Phnom Temple. Next sentence នីតាសួរតូនីថាតើអ្នកទៅណា
Nita asked Tony, where do you go?
Yes, good. Nita asked Tony, where do you go? Tony ឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះ
Tony answer, I go there.
Yeah, good. Tony answer, I go there. Do you know what that place is?
Chưa có Phnom Chan.
No, it's independent monument in Phnom Penh.
Nước Phnom Penh.
Yeah. Next sentence. Tony សួរជានីថាតើអ្នកទៅណា
Tony asked Nita,
ជានី
nước Tona.
Tony សួរជានី
Tony asked Jenny, where do you go?
Yeah, good. Tony asked Jenny, where do you go? Jenny ឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះ
Jenny answer, I go there.
Yeah, good. Jenny answers, I go there. Do you know what that place is?
Wat Phnom.
No, it's the Royal Palace. It's the Royal Palace in Phnom Penh.
But he Wat Phnom.
Or Wat Phnom has only a small temple. And this is not a temple, it is the palace here. The Royal Palace. And we go to next one. ជានីសួរបូណាថាតើអ្នកទៅណា
No.
ជានី
Jenny asked Bona, where do you go?
Yes, good. ជានី asked Bona, where do you go? Next one. Bona ឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះ
Shopson. Nè, ok, có trong ăn. Bona answer, I go there.
Yes, good. Bona answers, I go there. And do you know what that place is?
Có trên nó sẽ phơi trong na ti bay.
ស្រមន្ទីរជាតិកូនណា
បាទបើជាមានលោកនៅសិភៅណាទី3ខ្ញុំមិនស្គាល់មែនទីប្រហែល
It is the National Museum
ហើយនឹងជាកមានរូបនៅក្នុង
Okay, let's go.
ណាទី3របស់ខ្ញុំ
Next one. បូណាសួរនីដាថាតើអ្នកទៅណា
Bona asked Nita, where do you go?
Yes, good. បូណា ask នីដា Where do you go? And នីដាឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះ
Nita answered, I go there.
Yes, good. Nida answers, I go there. Do you know what that place is? Maybe you don't know. It's ផ្សារធំថ្មី market. It's the big market in Phnom Penh.
ធំតែជាមានសិត space.
Yeah. When you are bigger.
ខាងនោះហើយមានចូលទី2ដល់នឹងនេះថាជាមាន4កន្លែងទាំងនេះថាជាមាន for space.
Yeah, when you are bigger, I will invite you to visit there. And we go to next one. នីដាសួរឌីណាថាតើអ្នកទៅណានីដា
Nita asked
Dina
Dina, where do you go?
Good. Nida asked Dina, where do you go? Dina ឆ្លើយថាខ្ញុំទៅទីនោះ
Dina answer, I go there.
Yeah, good. Dina answers, I go there.
Grand Cambodia King Zoo.
Yeah. Is the I'm not sure. Maybe I'm not sure at that place. But I used to go there. But I forgot.
Yeah, but ខ្ញុំក៏តែឃើញថាជា
The king. Our photo of the kings.
បាទខ្ញុំក៏តែថារបស់ជាផ្ទះមកខ្ញុំក៏តែថាផ្ទះមេកម្ពុជា
Oh yeah, the king of Cambodia.
ហើយថាមេកម្ពុជា
Yeah, good. គេហៅមេគេហៅ king គាត់ណាព្រះស្ដេចខ្មែរស្ដេច
thế thoát tạch bởi chứ tôi xem lên tay đợi thầy
This is the last sentence. Tina, Sothia, Nita, Tony, Jenny, Bona, Nida, Dina នៅកោះធំ
bởi than thông đi tha trường thông
កោះ is a island.
yeah so big
The name of the island កោះធំ island.
bởi chứ mình thu tiny house ở here
Yeah, good. ចឹងយើងសរសេរ
Tina Sothi Nita
Tony
Jenny Bona Nita Dina at កោះធំ កោះធំ
island the same. Next you have to read English. The short text in English. The title is Where to Go.
តាមថានឹងហើយ
តោះថាបង
Where to go go Dina asked Sothia, where do you go? Sothia answer, I go there. Sothia asked Nita, where do you go? Nita answer, I go there. Nita ask, Donnie, where do you go? Donnie answer, I go there. Tony asks, Jenny, where do you go? Jenny answer, I go there. Jenny asks, Bona, where do you go? Bona answer, I go there. Bona asks, Nida, where do you go? Nida answer, I go there. Nida asks, Dina, where do you go? Dina answer, I go there. Dina, Sophia, Nida, Nita, Tony, Jenny, Bona, Nida, Dinda, Alex, có thùng.
Now I have some question to ask you. Daddy ask you answer, okay? Question number 1. តើសុធាទៅណា Where does សុធា go?
To កោះភ្នំ
No. កោះពេជ្រ Island
បើខ្ញុំមិនស្គាល់ឈ្មោះទាំងអស់
ហ្នឹងហើយ Maybe you are not sure about the place and resorts in Cambodia. Suthia goes to កោះពេជ្រ Island. Question number 2. តើ Nida ទៅណា Where does Nida go?
Go to វត្តភ្នំ
Yeah, វត្តភ្នំ Question number 3. តើពួកគេនាំគ្នាទៅណា Where are they going? Or where do they go? មួយមិនក៏
កោះភ្នំ
Yeah, they go to កោះធំ
កោះធំ
Let's see here. They go to that island. The name is កោះធំ Island. Question number 4. តើកូនចូលចិត្តទៅទីណាខ្លះ Where do you like to go? Where do you like to go every Sunday with Daddy?
Go to bên cà phê bạn Grand bên
Here, this place.
bạn ngay kênh thật luôn ngân hơi coi Sophie Mart
Yeah, I have only this picture. You always like to go Ben Cafe shop and mart.
Sophie Mart
Sokimik Mart.
bạn ta pi năng
Yeah, our lesson is finished. See you next week. Good night.
Goodbye daddy, see you tomorrow,
Yeah, very good. No, see you next week.
see you next week.
Yeah, good.